Where Atacama, I don't know what is in here, and I'm just curious to know what is inside this box. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And to the new subscribers, make sure you do subscribe. To the returning, thank you so much for the support. And as you guys can see in our today's video, it's quite different. I've taken you out on a vacation. As you can see around here, we have so many warehouses, and today I decided to visit one of the warehouses. This is the shipping company that I usually use here in Kenya. It is known as the China Link Cargo Limited, so you can use this company. Welcome guys, have a look at this one. This one, it's a machinery, and this is a clear indication that you guys, you can ship anything that you want depending on the on your needs. And you guys, as you can see, this machinery has a special packaging, and this comes this way from the supplier simply because of security reason. And you guys, you can ship anything that you have in mind. And having a look at this machinery, you can see it has a very special packaging as compared to other commodities which are packed differently. Like for example, you can have a look at those auto spare parts. They are packed differently. The other commodities, they are packed in cottons. And so for this machinery, it has a special packaging. I'm being told for security reasons. Have a look at this one too. This one too has a special packaging too. You can see inside we have the cotton, and then a carton, sorry, and then you also have some kind of timber, also for protection purposes and preventing this commodity from maybe breaking or something. Probably it is a fragile commodity. I don't know what it is. Yeah, that's why it is this way. So when you when you are importing your goods, they come with different packaging depending with what they are, because you know these goods have to be protected. Look at this, and I was like, what is in there? I thought maybe something big, or I don't know what it is, but this is a machinery too. So guys, as you can see, the goods are packed differently, and this is how they come, as you can see them. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and if at all you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell on. Thank you, and bye bye.